The German Heart Center in Berlin is one of Europe's leading cardiac hospitals, with close to 2,500 operations requiring heart bypass performed here annually. It's an advanced procedure in which the heart and lungs are stopped and their job temporarily taken over by a machine, so surgery can be performed on a still heart. A perfusionist operates the heart-lung machine and responds to any issues. The centre specialises in educating perfusionists and is constantly looking for ways to optimise training for this vital role.
It's quite a complex machine. And the question is, how do you evaluate the student's performance? Because you cannot see what they are thinking. Eye tracking is a great tool to evaluate where people are looking at.
Frank Merkel introduced eye tracking as a way to illustrate the skill sets of novice and expert perfusionists and assess students' learning in the simulation lab.
I've been using simulation for about 10 years now, but I never had a good tool to demonstrate how effective simulation is. Using eye tracking, we could see that they were looking at the right parameters and they were reacting to the complication.
As a beginner, it was a big question how the expert is looking at. And for me, it was the eye-tracking glasses, the answer of it, to see where is he looking at and why is he looking at. This gives me information about his cognitive process.
Eye tracking not only helps illustrate mental processes, it reveals instinctive behaviours that are hard to explain or demonstrate. Cardiac surgeon Professor Christoph Stark has also incorporated eye tracking into his field of work, using the glasses to record and observe subconscious actions when carrying out complex procedures.
You collect data from operators on expert level. Actually, you can find out what is the eye movements and their spots of interest during a procedure, and then you can transfer this into simulation and training procedures and break it down and to make it understandable for beginners.
With increasing pressure on medical practitioners to combine imaging technology and visual skills, he believes eye tracking could be applied as a teaching and assessment tool across a range of medical fields.
This is the first time that we can actually get data on visual human information collection. We can use this data to optimize training procedures. We can also optimize operative procedures.